Hello guys, I'm Claudio from IT Zone, and today we have an iPhone 6s that came in for backlight repair. So obviously we started troubleshooting. Indeed, it was confirmed that there is no backlight on it, and there's no short, there's no open line on the FPC on the backlight lines, and the diode mode value shows exactly as a known good board. Remove the shield and then we start troubleshooting, and I solved this. The SD-RAM. So the SD-RAM has a lump on it, and the SD-RAM also has a crack on it. Let me see if I can get a proper view on this. See, the crack here goes across. See, when I press it, and I said, okay, that's a weird one. So I went straight and removed the backlight driver, which is here. And then I started doing diode mode under the pads of the IC. So I'm gonna just redo this process. Just using CXW here. So the pin 1 should be 436, pin 2 705, blah blah blah. These all are fine here, except the pin D3, which is PP1V8 SD-RAM, which is supposed to be 0.285 in diode mode. What do we have in diode mode? Let's see, what do we have? .015, which is a full short. Do that again. No. 0.015 on PP1V8 SD-RAM. But the funny thing is, the phone is still working, except no backlight. Now, can you see the Apple logo? Yep, that's the Apple logo there in the middle. And it says, hello. Bonjour. Chinese, hello. So, what's going on? PP1V8 SD-RAM short. The SD-RAM is cracked and has a lump on it, and the phone is still working. Can someone explain me this? Thanks for watching. I can't.